Hello, good people. Bernard again, back with unboxing of a firearm I just got today. Let's get right to it. All right, so this is the Canik Sketch. Looks pretty cool. Look at the case. Looks like a freaking toy. Anyways, probably is a toy. Dangerous toy. All right, let's open this up. See what's up. All right. Let's start with manual. It's a manual here, as always, and there's the certificate of authenticity. So the Canik Sketch, it's a limited edition, so there's only 2,500 available, and mine happens to be 480 out of the 2,500. So that's cool. So there's that. Put that aside. And Canik is known for a lot of the stuff they kind of include with their products. So you have your punch tool, you have the extra back strap right here, cleaning tool, a bunch of tools in this little gun thingy. And then this one is pretty cool. It's special for this one. It's a patch, signature series patch. And then you have your magwell, extra magwell here. You can change this up. It comes with 2 mags, and one is 18, one is 20. All right, so here we go. Here's the firearm. It comes with a holster, like you can see. It's probably tight as hell. That's what she said. Anyways, still tight. There you go. Woo, that was tight. So look at this. Looks pretty cool, right? Look at that. It's nice. Look at that. And it's numbered too right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's right there. 480 out of 2,500. I've been really pleased with Canik. I have a few Canik firearms, and I'm not sure if I'm going to shoot this one, just because the gun dealer told me just keep it and don't shoot it because it might be worth something someday. I don't know. But anyways, I haven't decided yet. But it looks cool. As always, I'll make sure it's, to YouTube stuff. It's all clear. Nothing's there. It's brand new. So if I do that and watch this trigger, I mean, Caniks are known for their nice trigger out of the box. So this reset, short reset. Oh, so smooth as always. What do I want to go over here? Let me see what I want to go over. I have my notes here. Give me a second. Yeah, let's talk about some of the stuff that this has. Again, it comes with 18 and 20 round magazines, 9mm, and this is 1.88 pounds. Look at that. Custom hand finished Cerakote, as you can see. I mean, look at that. It looks like a freaking cartoon. Anyways, semi-automatic, frame material synthetic. The barrel length is 5.2 inches. Overall length is 8.29 inches. And it's made in Turkey. And that's it. I mean, there's other videos out there. Probably want to kind of go over more detail. Oh yeah, and then probably let you know it's ambidextrous slide stop, which is kind of cool. Other than that, yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I don't know if I'm gonna shoot it. Well, let me know if you guys, what you guys think. Should I shoot this thing? Put the comments below. Let me know if I should shoot this thing. Anyways, it retails for like $7.99. Some people are already selling it for a higher price. I don't know what, anyways, I don't want to comment on that, but whatever. So anyways, please like and subscribe so I can do more content. Okay, talk to you all later. Bye.